Hello there, welcome to your Scottish weather forecast from the Met Office. As we end this weekend, we will see some further rain move across the country, and in fact we've still got some rain out there for the rest of Saturday. Potentially also some sleet and snow across the high ground, but that will clear away as we go through the small hours of Sunday. It will allow things to turn a little bit drier and clearer for a time, but then later on in the night we see this next area of rain arrive in the west. Ahead of it, under the clear skies, it will turn quite cold. We will see the risk of some ice. A warning is in force right throughout the night as temperatures fall below freezing. So do expect some icy stretches on any untreated surfaces. But towards the west, where we see that next rain band come in, temperatures here actually staying above freezing, 3 to 4 we should expect as our low. So a cold, icy but bright start in the far east of Scotland as we go into Sunday morning, but that won't last for too long. The area of rain will quickly spread across most parts as we go through the course of the morning. Heaviest and most persistent of the rain probably across Orkney and Shetland as we approach lunchtime. To the south of it does turn a little bit drier, and maybe even some brightness just arriving into the far southeast of Scotland as we go through the course of the afternoon. But overall quite a grey and damp Sunday to come for most of us. Fairly mild though, temperatures reaching 9 to 10 degrees for most, but that'll be tempered somewhat by a fairly keen wind, and that wind will only strengthen further as we go through the course of the evening. We could see gales, potentially severe gales across the north of the country. That rain also continuing across Orkney and Shetland throughout the night. To the south of it, a good deal of cloud and some outbreaks of rain, but a fairly mild night to come for most of us. So we start Monday on a fairly wet note. The rain mainly focused across the central belt as we go through the rush hour. And if anything, it just slowly pivots a bit further northwards again as we go into the afternoon. So really, Glasgow down towards the western parts of the country, quite a miserable Monday to come, quite a lot of rain coming and going and quite cloudy here. To the north of it, it is a bit brighter, but some blustery showers being brought in on a keen northwesterly wind. And then to the south of it, we may well just escape most of the rain, but still quite cloudy down here, but mild. Temperatures here probably reaching 11 or 12 degrees, where further north in the sunshine, temperatures more likely 8 to 9 degrees. So then moving on, as we go through the course of the week, it will turn colder for all of us, especially from Wednesday onwards. We could see some sleet and snow, especially across the high ground, and a risk of some overnight frost returning too. You can find out more information about that on our social media channels. You can always follow YouTube for the latest video forecast. But that's all from me for now.